In this tab, I actually have Windows application. I've got Trade the Pool acting right here. And then over here, I'll just show you some of these, what we're looking for when it comes to different potential names. So I have no idea which one of these will trigger, but you can see I have a lot of potential trades happening. And all of these are set up so that, as we talked about, if one of these alerts are sent, it will go to SignalStack and it will send this webhook over to my Trade the Pool account. So when you see these trades come in, I'm not going to be doing anything. I'm not going to be pressing anything. What I end up generally doing is going through and looking at the event log. These are not quite firing yet because those are different things. And just taking a look at potentially what could trigger when we're looking at some of these names. So we have PCG. Again, I won't go through all of them because there are tons and tons. But what I'm always doing is, because there's an audio notification when it comes to Trade the Pool, it will send a little beep and it will say, hey, you're in a trade. I can then bring it up here, and I'll show you guys when some trades come in. I will modify them. I will, maybe you want to put out a stop loss, or you want to move a profit target. Maybe you don't like the trade in general and you just want to get out of it. This is where the discretion can come in, because for me personally, I don't want to have to be hunting for all of these different symbols to potentially take trades on. All I want to do is I want to hang out and I want to wait for one of these orders to kind of come through, one of these to occur, and there you go. So you can see, right, I wasn't hitting anything, but 3 trades just immediately came through. So if we go over here, we can see the alerts that happened, right? LSCC, TDUP, ACN, and they are all just triggered right here inside Trade the Pool. So I can just click here and I can bring up the chart. So it looks like it bought this one here, and I can just check to make sure the stop loss is in place, and that makes sense. This trade's risking $200 there. On TUDP, here's a short trade. I can just take a look, and yeah, we're risking that. This one should risk about 125, and it's 127. And then I could drag this, I could move this, I could set a take profit here. Right? So for example, on ACN, which shorted right there, if I go and say, oh, I think it might get to this area, I can just let that go and it will set that profit target. I can cancel it. I can do all of the trade modification right here. But you can see 2 minutes into the day, 3 trades taken, all according to a plan that I have written and I've back tested. I've done all the work behind, and you saw me. I didn't do anything. So this is how it gets very interesting to do things with Trade the Pool and with all of these different ways, from TrendSpider to TradingView to SignalStack and then to here. So if you're interested in this, again, come check us out over at Trade the Pool.